Hello guys, welcome back. This is the Huawei P9 Lite and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. To get started, connect to Wi-Fi. Once connected, reboot the device by holding the power key and selecting Reboot. When it's back on, choose your language, tap Emergency Call, and enter the code *#6130*. Tap on Phone Info, choose something, tap the three dots, go to View SIM Address Book, then tap the back arrow. Create a new contact, name it whatever, add an email field, type any letters, and tap the check mark. Tap the email field, choose Google, skip it, then add email and choose Outlook. Type anything, hold your finger to select it and choose Assist. In the Assist option, type Chrome, open it, accept and continue, and no thanks to logging in. Tap the search bar and navigate to how to reset that info. Tap the three bars, go to Downloads. Hold the download link and choose Open in Incognito tab, allow storage permission, and install the app. Open the app, search for Huawei Home, tap on it and choose Try. You're now on the home screen. Go to Settings, then Advanced Settings, Backup and Reset, and Factory Data Reset. Reset the phone, wait for it to finish, and the device will be fully unlocked. Once the reset is done, progress through the setup is normal, skipping anything you want. You're now on the home screen with no verification. The device is fully unlocked. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.